Okay, I'm going to show you how to install NordVPN to get around any service provider blocks on your IPTV service. Click search here, then start to type in Nord, N-O, and then you see NordVPN. Click on that. Then click NordVPN to install it. NordVPN is a paid service. I have a link to subscribe in the comments. Again, click here to download and install. Go ahead and pause your video because I'm going to speed it up here. Then click Open App. Be a few seconds for the app to load. Once you get to this screen, click Accept. Then from here, you're going to click Log In. If you haven't done the setup on your phone, you're going to want to do that now. And after you've done the setup on your phone, you're going to scan the QR code there to the left. That's the easiest way to do it. Of course, you can do it with the browser, but the easiest way to do is to sign in on your phone and then scan the QR code. I'm going to show you here how the way it's done. Scan the QR code and then click the link down there at the bottom. And as you see here, it says complete the login on your device. So you go to your phone and you log in on your phone. Then after you get logged in, it'll update on the screen. Okay, so I logged in and now it says verify it's you. It brings up this 4-digit code. So I go back to my phone here and I will punch in the 4-digit code. Just like that. And now I'm done on the phone. Boom. Just like that. So now it shows that you're logged in, but you are not yet protected. That means it's not on. So you can just click the quick connect there, and that'll get you going. But I'm gonna show you the easy way so you don't have to keep coming back to this app. If you go over here to Auto-Connect, flip that on, then click OK. And if you look up there at the top left-hand corner, it shows connected. Your VPN is now connected there. And so you're good to go. You can go ahead and close the app and watch TV. Thanks for watching.